Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Samsung S25 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you are using USB-C headphones, then you can clean the charging port. You know where it is, of course, it's at the bottom. As you guys can see, here we have it. Now, if it's filled with dust, then it can block the connection between the headphones. So it's very bad, and we definitely do not want that. Now, what we want to do next is restart the phone. It also goes for the Bluetooth headphones. If you're watching for Bluetooth headphones only, then restart your phone. So tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now wait for it to restart, and so I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. Now after the restart, if you are using an adapter, for an example, for your headphones to the 3.5mm jack, now you need to make sure that you're using an original one or a certified adapter, because if it's a cheap one, then it can break down any second and you just will have no idea where it is. Now, what you guys want to do is, if you have another pair of headphones, then feel free to test them out and see if one works and one doesn't. See if that fixes anything or not. And now, what you guys can do for the Bluetooth headphones is turn the Bluetooth off and on. So, let's go over to the settings and then connections. My Bluetooth is already turned off, so I'll turn it on. And now let's turn it off and turn it on. This is a quick restart of our Bluetooth. Now, if your headphones are already paired and they just won't connect, what you guys can do is forget them and repair them again. It's very simple. And after that, what you guys want to do is avoid Wi-Fi or device interference. So if another device is connected to your headphones, then maybe the headphones are connecting to the other device and not our Samsung. So make sure to go and check that out. Now make sure to charge your headphones fully, because sometimes they just won't connect if they are not 100%, including the case. And what you guys can do as a last resort for both of the headphones, so USB-C and Bluetooth, is go over and scroll down in the settings to software update. Here you need to click check for updates, and basically you will need to check if you have the latest version. So as you guys can see, I did not have the latest version. Now it's downloading and installing. So as you guys can see, this is how it will look like. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.